Iran has dragged the US before the International Court of Justice over its sanctions against the Islamic Republic. The ICJ began hearing Iran's arguments on Monday. The country's representative at the hearing said the US sanctions are designed to exact the heaviest possible damage to the Iranian people.
The measures reinstated by the United States, which will be further implemented and aggravated in the coming weeks and months, will have far-reaching consequences. They not only jeopardize Iran's capacity to recover a fully functional economy, Mr. President, they will be an impediment to its ability to guarantee basic health and safety for its people.
Iran lodged a lawsuit against the US with the International Court of Justice last month on the grounds that the US sanctions violate the terms of a 1955 treaty between Tehran and Washington and that the measures must be lifted.
The Iranian government is mainly doing this legal procedure now in order to have a better legal basis for future negotiation with European and other non-American corporations.
The United States has said the court does not have jurisdiction in the case. As far as international courts go, the US has not had an easy relationship with them. Rulings by the ICJ are final and legally binding, but the US has in the past defied verdicts issued by the World Court, casting doubts on Washington's claim that it respects international law.
When you read what President Donald Trump has written in the documents when he officially decided to sanction the Islamic Republic of Iran again, this is full of lies. He accuses Iran of having of still being able to produce nuclear weapons, even though Iran has never made any attempts to actually procure any atomic weaponry whatsoever.
The US imposed the sanctions on Iran after American President Donald Trump left the Iran nuclear deal in May. This came amid opposition from many former American officials. Reports say Trump went ahead with his decision while some of his own aides tried to dissuade him from leaving the nuclear agreement. Observers say Trump's move has damaged the US standing in the international community and portrayed Washington as an untrustworthy partner in deals. Iran is not the only victim of the US sanctions. The White House has targeted many other countries that are not on the same page with Washington regarding global politics. Some of them have responded in kind. The US has long used sanctions as a weapon to force nations it has blacklisted into submission. In most cases, its policies have not worked. As for the anti-Iran sanctions, nearly all the international community are opposed to them.
When the Iranian government says that the United States has absolutely no legal footing to pursue these destructive economical sanctions with the intention to destroy the Islamic Republic of Iran, then Iran is definitely in the right. This is a criminal system. This is a thinly veiled attempt to destroy yet another sovereign government, and this is basically just another vehicle used by the United States in order to further its imperialist ambitions in the region.
The only regimes that supported the measures were Israel and Saudi Arabia. The Islamic Republic has acknowledged that the US sanctions are creating problems for it, but has stressed they will not bring the nation to its knees.